make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Okay, we're out here at the 22-inch WSM, and I am going to do barbecue drumsticks on it. And I'm going to copycat Phil and Florence and Janet and Florence, how they did theirs for Gameday. So what you'll see is I've got a gourmet grill grate in here where you can remove the center, and my vortex down in there. Now, if you notice, I've taken out the water pan, so any ash, once I fill the vortex full of charcoal, any ash will fall through down to the bottom. I'm going to line my drumsticks up along the top edge, and then I have my warming rack here that I'm going to be doing poppers on. So that's basically how I'm going to set it up. I have the bottom vents all the way open. They'll probably be open all the way for this cook to get it hot, and then we'll get her going. Stay tuned. Okay, for the jalapeno poppers, I'm going to use 1 green apple, some green onions, and a 8-ounce cube of light cream cheese. Now I've had the cream cheese out for a few hours, so it should be nice and soft, and it should mix up very well. I'm going to use my little handy dandy chopper there to chop everything up, and then we'll stuff the jalapeno peppers, and of course we'll wrap them with bacon. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've kind of cut up the apple here, and then I'm just going to take my little chopper and we'll chop it down so we have a nice consistency of apples. I won't bore you with all that. try this one. Once again, this is Mr. Spice honey barbecue sauce. It has no salt in it. Let's give it a try. Definitely sweet. Definitely can taste the honey. It is really, really good. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Delicious. Finger licking good. Now the other ones have the Frank's hot sauce on them. I don't know about this, but we'll give it a try. Definitely can get some heat off of that. Ooh-wee! Ah, ha, ha. I'm going to have to get me something to drink. Ooh, ah. Well, anyway, we'll go into the jalapeno poppers here in just a minute after I get something to drink. Holy! Ooh. Okay, here's the finished jalapeno poppers. Gonna let them cool off for a minute, and then we'll bite into one. Okay, so once again, we seasoned the chickens with Daks all-purpose barbecue seasoning, or any seasoning, and then we came back on the barbecue side with Mr. Spice honey barbecue sauce and marinade. And let me tell you, this is really good, very good. I'm gonna have to get more of this. Well, let's just get in here and try one of these poppers. Let's try this one right here. Look at that. Yum! Yum, 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 yum. That cream cheese with the cheddar cheese and the bacon, and then you add apple and onion and then the jalapeno. Not too spicy because you got all the seeds out of it and the veins. Oh man, these are perfect. Anyhow, thank you, Phil and Janet and Florence, for showing me how to set up the Weber Smokey Mountain as a grill, basically, and using the vortex and then the warming rack. That worked out pretty good. I wish it had a little more room. Maybe if I had a 26-inch Weber Smokey Mountain. What do you think, Weber? Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and grill on.